Wave, 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 can you hear the sea? Water splashes happily. Wind goes whoosh and bubbles glow. Lily and whale say hello. W is for whale, big and blue, swimming softly, waving too. Little fins go wiggle, wiggle. Whale's big smile makes Lily giggle. Wave to the water, watch it shine. Wonderful colors in a line. Whale, whale, wave, wave, wave. Through the water, brave and brave. W, W, whale, come and play. Learning letter W today. Whale, whale, swim with me. 1, 2, 3, across the sea. Wiggle your fins and splash so bright. Water sparkles in the light. A window opens under the sea. Fish are waving happily. A waterfall shines far away. Whale leads Lily there to play. The wind is dancing in the sky. Clouds and seagulls flying by. A wonder shell begins to glow. W is shining down below. Wave high, wave low. Wiggle, splash, and off we go. Water and wind, window too. W is fun for me and you. Whale, whale, wave, wave, wave. Through the water, brave and brave. W, W, whale, sing hooray. We learned letter W today. Now we know the letter W. Whale waves goodbye to you. Wave goodbye, our song is through. See you next time at the Alphabet Zoo.
Now, a C345